There was a high need to create this network because, in contrast to antibiotic resistance, where a lot of attention and a lot of activities are going on, this level of awareness was much lower in the field of antiparasitic resistance. So it was important to bring together the community to work on the topic and to raise awareness for this topic. A main impact is definitely the creation of the network. So COST really allows to create a pan-European network with 31 COST member countries, including a lot of the so-called inclusiveness target countries from Eastern Europe. So this is really interesting, also compared to previous research projects where I was involved in, which were mainly involving, let's say, the research-intensive countries, which are more focused in Western Europe. Another major impact was definitely also the training that we could develop, the workshops that we developed during the projects and that we teach to young scientists. So in total, more than 100 young researchers were trained in various aspects related to anthelmintic resistance, going from introduction to socio-economic research methods, but also advances in field diagnosis, the use of epidemiological models and tools to look at the problem and to make epidemiological predictions, and also the use of laboratory tools to evaluate biological control means. Further, we also worked on harmonization of diagnostic protocols. It was not easy to achieve, but it means that we achieved to agree across all European scientists on how we will conduct future surveys on anthelmintic resistance. It means that we will increase the knowledge base, but more importantly that we will do that in a harmonized way, meaning that we can compare the results much better than we used to do in the past. So that really, if we talk on the prevalence, on the intensity of the problem, results will become better comparable in the future. And this was also a very important work done during the action. These data that we will generate and that we generate with these surveys, they also feed into a live database that we created, a live database that contains all the published information over the past decades about the prevalence of resistance, the involved molecules, the involved worm species, the involved production sectors, and we will continue to maintain this database with new data that will be collected in the future. There are definitely plans to maintain the network. It was really a great collaboration. People are very enthusiastic and we want to further build on that momentum. The first way to do so is we will collaborate with the Livestock Helminth Research Alliance, also called the LIRA, that really brings together researchers working on the topic of helminth control in livestock. And of course, anthelmintic resistance is an important aspect of that. So we will maintain the work via the LIRA, which is an association where people participate at their own cost in at least an annual meeting and where we will discuss research collaboration opportunities.